First you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website for download and driver. So you can see here the search key, and then guys type your model number. Z890 gaming X 557, then click to product. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you not aware about your operating system, you can select all. So that means that driver will show. It will work both Windows 7 also and 10 also. Otherwise you can select, like I am using Windows 11, select it. Okay, and Windows 10 installation process also same. Okay, so no worry. VGA VGA driver, and click to download. Then guys click it is downloaded VGA driver, and double click. This is actually extracting two drivers to your system. Then click to yes. Then guys click to yes, VGA driver. Now this is installing. You can see by command and all, graphic card driver. Then close it, it is done.